仁者有仁德的大胸怀，他的内心无比宽和，会推己及人。
I'll never forgive myself, but I can take responsibility for my actions by saving this boy's life. I must trade places with him.
Oh!
I'm glad our kids are safe, dear. The internet is so helpful, but they need more breaks from it.
Isn't it great they have discovered the beauty of nature?
咁所以從而家開始，呢間鋪頭只需要用一隻雞，係一隻雞嘅碳排放，成間鋪頭就可以無限生產雞翼。你滿意未啊？而家
I know. I'm sure you've made our poor narrator very confused.
Who are you talking to?
You don't want to know. But hey, at least I've embraced myself, flat and all, y'all.
你哋，我哋聰穎教育慈善基金咧第17年做呢個廣播劇比賽啦，咁亦都有同學咧都即係參加咗幾次或者一兩次啦。
Competition for 17 years is for us to provide a platform for you to collaborate and for you to shine.
因為大家都各有各嘅風格，各有各嘅即係優點喺度嚇。有啲個故事講得好好，有啲發音啊、表現嘅手法啊。
因為本身你講嘢啦，聲線即係把聲本身係咩質量，係咩音域，你未必有得控制，但係咬字咧係完全可以練習翻嚟嘅。
我會嘗試咧就話，我黑埋隻眼嘅時候係聽嗰個戲劇性。從劇本角度講，你哋得5分鐘啫嘛，唔需要鋪咁長，唔需要咁貪心。
We were deliberating who should be the winners. We were not talking about the articulation or even the quality of the script. We are talking about can we follow.
Makes you imagine what's happened to the scene. So when it comes to performing, it's a balance between how you are articulating the scene as a performer.
For radio dramas, the little that you can use for audio sound recording would be the better it would be. We love